Days of the week. Practice questions and sentences. How many days for the weekdays?
5 days.
How many days are in a week?
7 days.
How many days are in a long weekend?
3 days.
How many days are in a weekend?
2 days.
I go to school
Monday to Friday.
I go to school Monday to Friday. Some people work Saturday and Sunday. Some people work on the weekend. Some people work Monday to Friday. The middle of the week is Wednesday. Thanks for taking time to learn English.
Good job, everyone!